Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Aina BINTI Awis Othman. Today I would like to talk about the function and the benefit of insurance. Before that, we must know what is insurance. So let me tell you the further about this. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives the financial protection or reimbursement against losses from the insurance company. The company pulls client risk to make a payment more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of the financial losses, both big and small, that may result from the damage to the insured or her property, or from the liability for damage or injury causes that to the third party. Essentially, insurance contract include the 5 elements. First is the two parties, the insured and the insurer. Second is an agreed premium. That is an amount to be paid to cover a specified losses or losses. Number 4 is the specified loss or losses should have a remote chance of occurring. And lastly is the policyholder who is taking out the insurance should have an interest in what is being insured. So let me move to the benefit of insurance. The obvious and the most important benefit of insurance is the payment of losses. An insurance policy is a contract used to indemnify individuals and organizations for covered losses. The second benefit of the insurance is managing cash flow uncertainty. Insurance provides payment for the covered losses when they are occur. Therefore, the uncertainty of paying for losses out of the pocket is reducing significantly. A third and uncommon benefit of the insurance is complying with the legal requirements. Insurance meet the statutory and contractual requirement as well as they provide evidence of financial resources. Another uncommon important benefit of insurance is support for the insurer's credit. Insurance facilities loan to individuals and the organizations by the guaranteeing that the lender will be paid if the collateral for the loans is destroyed or damaged by the insurance event. This reduces the lender's uncertainty of default by the party borrowing fund. Another very important benefit of insurance is promoting risk control activity. Insurance policy provide incentives to implement a loss control program because of policy requirement and the premium saving incentives. Other than that, benefit of insurance is the efficient use of an insured resources. Insurance make it unnecessary to set aside a large amount of money to pay for the financial sequence of the risk exposure that can be insured. This allows that the money to be used more efficiently. The seventh benefit of the insurance is it provides a source of investment funds. Insurance company collect premium upfront, invest those premiums in the variety of investment vehicles, and pay claims if they occur. The last benefit of the insurance is reducing social burden. Insurance help reduce the burden of the uncompensated accidents victim and the uncertainty of the society. Next, we talk about the function of insurance. Firstly is insurance provides certainty. Insurance provides certainty of payment and the uncertainty of loss. The uncertainty of loss can be reduced by better planning and administration. But the insurance relieve the person from such a difficult task. Moreover, if the subject matter are not adequate, the self-provisions may prove costlier. There are different types of uncertainty in a risk. The risk will not occur or not, when will occur, how much loss will be there. In other words, there is uncertainty of happening of time and amount of loss. Insurance remove all the uncertainty, and the assured is given certainty of payment of loss. The insurer changed the premium for providing the state of uncertainty. Secondly is risk sharing. The risk is uncertain, and therefore the loss arising from the risk is also uncertain. When the risk takes place, the loss is shared by all the persons who are exposed to the risk. The risk sharing in ancient time was done only at the time of the damage or death, but today, based on the probability of risk, his share is obtained from every insurer in the shape of the premium, without which protection is not guaranteed by the insurer. Next is insurance provide protections. The main function of the insurance is protect the probable chance of loss. The times and amount of losses are uncertain, and at the time happening of the risk, the person will suffer the loss in the absence of insurance. The insurance guarantees the payment of loss and thus protects the assured from suffering. The insurance cannot check the happening of the risk, but can provide for losses at the happening of the risk. Other than that, it's also prevention of loss. The insurance joins hands with the other institutions which aid against in the preventing of loss of the society. Because of the reductions in loss causes the lesser payment to the assured, so more saving is possible, which will assist in reducing the premium. Lesser premiums invites more business, and more business causes lesser share to the assured. So against the premium is reduced, to which will stimulate more business and more protection to the masses. Therefore, the insurance assists financially to the health organization, fire brigade, educational institution, and other organizations which are engaged in the preventing the losses of the mass from death or damage. Lastly, it helps economic progress. The insurance, by protecting the society from the huge losses of damage, destructions, and death, provides an incentive to the work hard from the betterment of the masses. The next factor of the economic progress, the capital, is also immensely provided by the masses. The property, the valuable asset, the machines, and the society cannot lose much of the disaster. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching.